South Australia. It is Sunday, the 7th of July. This is your weather forecast for the week ahead. Top stories are there is a chance of frost risk, specifically down here in the southeast of the state, because we have light, stable conditions for most of the week. This rainfall accumulation Sunday to Sunday down here along the southern coast mainly falls next weekend. So the start of this week is going to be pretty stable. You can see we've also got some rainfall in the interior here as a trough moves in. So let's break that down. Let's start off with this frost risk, because I know that's quite a concern for some people. It's definitely not as risky as it is in Victoria over here, but you can see we've got widespread regions in the 0 to 5 degrees Celsius range. This is Monday morning. Let's move to Tuesday morning. You can see again wide regions in the 0 to 5 degrees. Same for Wednesday. You get sort of my drift that we've got widespread regions of frost risk. That does clear up as a cutoff low move across, ramping up the wind speed and bringing some moisture as well. Let's have a look now at these two maps. Over on the left, we've got daily rainfall accumulation. Over on the right, we have wind speed, gusts, hourly. All right, on Monday, no rain in South Australia, and I'll show you the wind speed for Monday because it will be the same for most of the week. Gusts 0 to 10 k's an hour, maybe 20-30, so no wind essentially because of this interior high pressure system, which is bringing sort of easterly flows into South Australia. So these winds won't really penetrate inland. Let's look at Tuesday now. No rain. Wednesday, this is when that interior trough could deliver 5 to 10 mils, maybe even 15 mils up in the central sort of desert areas. Thursday as well, that trough sticks around, but by Friday it clears out. Friday you can start to see the development of this sort of low system that's hanging in the south that should arrive Saturday. And Saturday it's arriving on shore anywhere between sort of 0 and 10 mils depending on how far inland you are, and Sunday again that's hanging around, so potential 5 to 10 mils on the very coastal regions. Now I have seen some models where that becomes a cutoff low and moves further into the interior of the country, so there's a possibility that this sort of 10 to 15 mils could be on the way for the southeast regions, but this is 7 days away, so we just don't know how that system is going to behave just yet in the models, but there is a possibility of moderate rainfalls on the way. Currently it's only showing sort of light to moderate. With that though, let's have a look at the winds. We will go forward to Sunday just to see what's happening here. This is also bringing strong, gusty gale force winds, 63 to 90 kilometres an hour, is definitely possible for Adelaide, or I should say the south coast of South Australia. Let's have a look at my city of choice this week, which is Mount Gambier, because Mount Gambier is going to get the rain and the frost, so I thought a great place to have a little investigation. You can see Mount Gambier Monday 1 degree, Tuesday 0 degrees, Wednesday 3, Thursday 2, Friday 4, so we're in low temperatures. Tuesday morning is when that frost risk is really high. That backs off on Wednesday as it warms up a little bit, and on Thursday as well. But there's definitely a chance of frost, and it could also come as fog with those light winds, so we'll see. It's down here on Saturday, 4 mils, but anywhere between 0 and 8 mils, and then Sunday, 6 mils, but anywhere between 0 and 15. Again, it's just because that is a really far away forecast to say with accuracy, but we can see that most of the models are showing that rain is on the way that weekend. All right, so that's the story for Adelaide. An interior shower on Tuesday, Wednesday, nice and calm, potentially frosty down in the southeast for most of the week, with rain and wind on the way next weekend. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time.